In the early efforts, actually, chemical engineer mostly focus on the removal of the pollutants from the liquid gas as well as a solid stream. Okay, now they are shifted to the waste minimization, like reduction, okay, pollution prevention, okay, recycling, okay, and the need of the sustainability actually for the selection of raw metal as well as chemical products. So we need to consider all these criteria. Okay, so for the environmental protections, we look at here that many industrial nations, okay, environmental protection has transformed from the secondary to primary issue. Okay, because it's gonna related with our environment, especially for the our ozone layer. Okay, that's why we have to transform from the secondary to the primary issue. So therefore it must be taken into consideration in the product and process design. Okay, if you look at here that early effort is focusing on the removal of pollutants, okay, from waste, gas, liquid as well as a solid thing. So and now it's shifted to the waste minimum. This is the hierarchy of waste management. Okay, we call it as a paradigm shift or waste minimization. Okay, from removal of the pollutants to waste minimization. Okay, and here is the the upper one is the most preferred to the least preferred. Okay, so this is the first choice, source of reduction and reuse, and then second is recycling. Okay, or composting. And then third is energy recovery as well as the last one, which is this least preferred with treatment or disposal. Generally, for the disposal is we in Malaysia mostly use a landfill. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the hierarchy. Okay, and there's a key environmental issue. Okay, this is the list which is we, which is related to the design of the chemical products. Okay, is really closely related with this process or chemical product design. Okay, burning of fossil fuels. Okay, handling of the toxic waste, bioaccumulated chemicals as well as toxic metal and minerals. Okay, this is really closely related. Okay, uh, for number one is burning fossil fuels. Okay, if you look at here that generally for the power generation. Okay, if you remember previously we have discussed about the dominant source of the power worldwide generally is from the fossil fuel, and when we do combustions, okay, the product are primary source lead to several pollutants, okay, such as SO2, okay, NOx, CO2, soot, ash, unburned hydrocarbons, okay, and this one actually is for examples like SO2, right? It can produce acid rains. Okay, what else? Smoke and hazards. Smoke. Okay, this one is from the NOx. Okay, accumulation of greenhouse effects. Uh, wait. Okay. Kejap ah.
Okay, the
Carilah kerja dari rumah. Okay. So what's that? Oh, you're gonna continue. Okay. So let's be continuous. Okay. From the power generation of fossil fuels is going to result in many environmental problems. Okay. Such as SO2. Okay. Going to produce acid rain, smoke and haze. Okay. From the NOx greenhouse gas effect, which is CO2. Okay. O3 pollutions. This is because of the altering the ozone layer. Okay. To the combustion. Okay. What is the method to reduce the levels of the pollutants? Okay. Anyone can suggest method to reduce the level of pollutants? Okay. Maybe you can write in the Padlet. What is the any suggestion to reduce the level of pollutants? Maybe you can suggest in the Padlet. The link I already post in the chat box.
Doctor, can you please give the link again in the chat box? The Padlet. Or
Can you see this one?
cannot see. That's right.
That one.
All right. Thank you, doctor. Received it now. Can see.
Using catalytic converter. So let me share. Oh, it's cannot. Okay, thank you. So avoid open burnings. Okay, massage treatment before discharge, catalytic converter. Okay, and this is the method to reduce the level of pollutants. Okay, separate from them from the source. Adjust the combustion process. Right. Yes. We can adjust by what is it? Maybe to another method to separate them from the effluent gases. Okay, react the effluent gas in the catalytic converter. Okay, even our vehicles or transport, our vehicles is already have what is it? The catalytic converter, right? Okay, to reduce the emission. Okay, especially for car. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so second is the handling toxic waste. Okay, uh, if you look at here that the toxic waste is produced in a large quantity, not only in Malaysia but for other country, even in developed country US, okay, China, okay. Some waste generator treat, store or dispose the waste on site, okay, and okay, to the other country, okay, or ship to their waste to treatment, storage, and disposal facilities. And but most hazardous waste end up in landfill. But in Malaysia, the method I think the some or most of the waste from the chemical industry is the combust by using incineration. Okay, okay. So,
Doctor, your voice is breaking up.
end up in landfills or but it's gonna affect the internet. How about this one? Can you hear? Hello? Hello? Boleh dengar?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah, okay, we can hear. We can hear.
Then
Okay, okay. Okay, you can hear. Okay, so the third one is bioaccumulated chemicals. Okay, well known is a DDT. Okay, as well as a pest used for the pest control. This is the very famous one. Okay, so what else? This one actually DDT is remain for some time. Okay, it's gonna take some time to disappear because it's gonna be accumulated in the soil. Okay, as well as plant. Okay, plastic micropollutants. Okay, if you know, like if you use straw, okay, is the plastic. Okay, so is it I think it's better you avoid to use plastic straw. Okay, so because it's gonna affect the fish or any sea creatures. Okay, it's gonna flow into the ocean. So I think it's better you. Okay, I think this one is okay, Scrabble. So they use. So another one is the last one is the toxic metals and okay, such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and asbestos. Okay, which is this one uh is discovered in 1960. Uh, for the petrol and diesel, right? If you remember last time, we use consists of the lead, okay, of plumber. And that's now most of petrol is free from the alcohol. Okay, and then what is that? What else? Mercury. Okay, mercury is extremely toxic. Okay, so it's gonna uh, affect accidental exposure. Okay, and ingestion reported critically. Okay, and there's lead content in paint or as well as a fuel. Okay, lead paint I think generally for the last times if you remember is mostly children affected by this lead. Okay, the paint or we use paint to paint the house, right? Because for the building also. Okay, so this is we have to consider and we need to replace with other compound which is more environmental friendly as well as sustainable. Okay, so what is the strategies to reduce to is the product that is environmental friendly. Okay, first is ration parts. Okay, for the ration parts, you have to refer to the pocket product of toxicity. Mostly not only by product, but also
We can't hear you, doctor.
Market. Okay, then can you hear? Can you hear? Hello, dia dengar tak? Can?
Okay, boleh.
It's okay.
Tersekat je. Okay, so it's okay. This is the strategies and other strategies. I think you can refer like any guidebook. Okay, on from the Googles as I told you. Of this part, okay, which is more to the design literature. Okay, you can refer that one. Okay, okay. Tutorials. Two serious environmental problems have received considerable attention over the past 3 decades. Okay, the serious depletion of ozone in the Earth's stratosphere, especially over the north and south poles. How has this depletion occurred, and why does it present a serious heart problem? Okay, this one is for A, and B is the serious build-up of ozone in the big city due to the explosion. How was this build-up occur, and why does it present a serious health problem? Okay, can you answer these two questions? Okay, I give you around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and you can post in the Padlet. So for A, how this depletion occur, present a serious heart problem. Children ozone proven due to the ignorant and unsubtle behavior of the human race. Okay. So why does this serious environmental depletion also occur due to CFC? Yes, CFC. Okay, yes, CFC. About why it present a serious health problem? Agent. 1930. Activities. Anyone else? Okay. Okay, especially yeah, main reason is the atmosphere. Okay. So the concentration is yes, we already use it since 1980s, right? Or 1970s, 1990s. So it's gonna be bull up. The concentration is gonna in the that's how this gonna affect the concentration increase. Okay. So the chlorines actually is gonna react with the ozone, okay, and it's gonna be decrease the layer of the ozone, okay. That's the reaction of the so one is of ozone emission harmful ultraviolet radiation over time, okay. So the body become so the efficiency to absorb UV is become decreased. How is
I hear you, doctor.
okay. Oh, but I cannot share. Okay, this one. The serious up was is built up and why it how about me? How about me? Anyone else? Nobody, right?
Doctor, question B, right?
Yes, question B. Just now,
Um,
is it?
yes, doctor. I was thinking, doctor, should I answer or write? Which one, doctor?
Build up of the mechanism.
Uh, that's what I'm thinking, but I know how it presents a serious health problem. Only how the buildup occurred. That is what I'm thinking, doctor.
Yeah, because of
I mean, because of humans, but
yeah, of course it's
I
because of
I
human.
read this
All
before.
because of human.
I I read this before, doctor. I just forgot. That's why I'm trying to find it. I read this before.
Okay.
How did
I already present here, right? Already told you what is the of what is the the build up of the what is it the air pollution, right? Especially is
uh,
the, the burning of fossil fuels, right? Okay.
understood.
I okay. So in the big cities, even in the big cities, there's many industries, too many vehicles. So the main problem is the burning of the fossil fuels. Even the petrol or diesel is from the fossil fuels. Okay, so it's gonna
Understood.
yield significant concentration of smoke, right? Like sulfur dioxide, now soot, and what else? Ash, soot. Okay, some volatile organic compound, formaldehyde, phenol. Okay, what else? So it's gonna build up in the big cities. Okay, so build up of CO3 resulting on the chemical respiratory. So you're gonna have a other effect on your health. Okay. So why does it present as serious problems? Okay, of course it's gonna give us serious problems. Okay, because significant respiratory problems. Okay, so if you want to avoid or you want to minimize, what's the solution? Using a catalytic converter, separation. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, okay,
Understood.
that is for me. Okay, any question about the environmental protections? I think even you already learn in the environmental subject, right? Environment or something. I don't know. It took, take some course that related with the environmental. Okay. Okay. Any question before we move to sustainability?
No question, doctor.
Okay. So if you have no questions, okay, let's see the another part of this section, which is about the sustainability, which is you need to consider during the product and process development. Okay, actually this is one of the needs of the society in current situations. Okay, this is respecting to the anticipated of the for the future generation, so that your future generation is not gonna affected. Okay. So actually, most of the we consideration is we intend to avoid the harming to the environment. Okay. In some case, we consider the raw materials as well as the product as a green raw material or green product. For example, for me, my research work is more related to the using of the green chemical to isolate desired products. So I'm using the ionic liquid, which is a more to green chemical, green solvent. Okay, and I'm using a biomass, which is a carbon neutral. That is also we consider as a sustainable environmental protection. Okay, we try to reduce the toxic chemicals if we want to to design the catalyst, okay, to develop the catalyst. For example, if you use formaldehyde as a feedstock to produce the catalyst, so you have to replace the formaldehyde by using a lignin, okay, which is we can obtain from the biomass. Okay, so that's all those things you have to consider. Okay, so this is the three sphere of the sustainability, which is meet the needs of the society today. Okay, while respecting the anticipated needs of the future generations. We want to avoid the harming of the environment. So these three spheres of sustainability is environment, economic, social. So we can see the cross is the sustainability. Okay. So environment is natural resource use such as air, water, land waste. Okay. And what is economic, which is give a profit, cost saving. Okay. What else? Economic growth, research and development. In social, standard of living, education, equal opportunity. This is what we call it sustainability. Okay. So the key issue actually is for the sustainability is the growing emphasis on the sustainability is closely related to the increasing recognition of the global warming. Okay, because mostly 80% energy is for the manufacturing and 80% of waste produced in the manufacturing. Okay, associated with the chemical industry. Okay, since chemical industry is also the main raw material is the fossil fuels. Okay, this one related to the petroleum refining, chemical production, forest products, steel, aluminum, glass, and also the cement. Okay, so actually the goal of sustainable product is to get the small amount of materials as well as small of energy amount of energy. Okay, and then we can get the small amount waste as well as high quality products. This is the main goal for the sustainable product design. Okay, and also become common is to consider full life cycle of the design chemical products. Okay, which is sustainable. Okay, biodegradables. If you use biomass, it's a biodegradables. Okay, because biomass we can extract cellulose you can use as a micro capsules. Okay, with comparison by using a plastic, traditional plastic and biodegradable plastic. Okay, traditional plastic is gonna time consuming for the degradation. Okay, if you use a plastic from the biomass, it's gonna degrade easily. Okay, for a certain time. Okay, so this is the goals of the sustainable product design. Okay. Okay, so in attempt to design more sustainable industrial process, okay, do not compromise the ability for the future generations, okay, and to meet their needs, okay. Actually, there's a sustainability indicator. There are two types of the sustainability indicator, which is for the industrial process sustainability is the green scope. This is a short form. Later, I will explain the longest. What is this is a short form of the. I think the full for the full name is the green scope is gauging reaction effectiveness for the environmental sustainability for the chemistry with the multi-objective process evaluator. Okay, that is the longest name. And second is the product sustainability life cycle assessment. This one I think every process, especially for the biofuel productions, okay, mostly biofuel productions is we do the life cycle assessment. Okay, this is the method to measure the sustainability. Okay, okay, for the green scope, okay, okay. Forcing, can you hear? Dengar suara tak?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So for the green scope, okay, this is the full name. Okay, GREENSCOPE. Okay, developed by a researcher from the US Environmental Protection Agency or EPA. This is a very popular agency. Okay. Okay, this one is used to evaluate industrial process in order to identify aspects of potential process design. Okay, so actually there's we measure it will be evaluated for 140 indicators at 5 level. Okay, the lowest level, okay, number one is more the facility compliance or conformance. Okay, this one let me write here. Number one is the why is yellow? Number one, the lowest level actually, look at here, the level one is the facility compliance. Okay, indicator. Okay, this is number one. Such as material use, okay, energy use. Okay, and then level two, okay, measure material use. Okay, as well as performance. This one is such as acidification potential. Okay, and then number three is the level three is the measured capacity effect. Okay, then 4 is a supply chain. And product acceptance. And number 5 is more to a measure system. Okay, so this is 5 levels. Okay, for the evaluation of the green scope. Okay, as once you evaluate all these 5 criteria, okay, we will present in the general form. Generally, in term of what is it, web, a web spider, is something like a web spider. Okay, so generally best score for the one best score of the sustainability we present actually we present in the percentage. Okay, 100% is the best sustainability. Okay, while 0% is the worst score for the sustainability. Okay, so this is the examples. Okay, for the green scope for the alkali catalyst manufacture of the biodiesel. Okay, this one is I took from the main textbooks. Okay, actually this one you can create by using a ChemCAD simulation result. Okay, ChemCAD simulation. And then if you look at here that most indicators approach unity. Okay, so this one all 100 100 100 except for the N hazard indicator. For example, this one is hazard. Okay, okay, this one hazard. Okay, it's only 40%. Okay, high ratio of the hazardous input. Okay, to the total number of process input, because for the production of biofuels we use like a methanol as a raw materials. Okay, as well as MS spec 53. 53 this one, right? Okay, this one is only 15%. Okay, high ratio of mass of solid waste to the mass of biodiesel product. Okay, so that means solid waste is also higher. Some mostly the byproduct of the biodiesel is glycerol. Okay, but glycerol actually we can convert it into another product. Okay, what else? FTA number 13. Okay, number 13. Okay, here is just how many percent? 50%. Okay, high probability of the system failure. Okay, so this is also the indicator. Okay, but average is almost unity in terms of sustainability. Okay, this one. Okay, so if you use a biodiesel, actually is a green, or we call it a sustainability. I still remember that when I did my PhD, the city bus in Kyoto, Japan is they're using a biodiesel as a I think it's a city bus. Yeah, for the city bus they're using a biodiesel. I think in Malaysia also almost some last time I saw I think the lorry for the McDonald's they use also the biofuel. Okay, okay, as their energy. Okay, okay. So this is the green scope of the environmental indicator. Okay, the example mostly for the biodiesel. Okay. So let's see for the life cycle analysis. Okay. Actually, it's evaluated via various sustainability indicator. Okay, water, energy consumption, waste generation. Actually, the concept is like a cradle to the grave. Okay, from the beginning until to the end. For example, like such as production of biodiesel, biofuels. All the cycle you have to measure. Okay, from the raw materials. Okay, this one is the life cycle analysis. Okay, raw materials, okay, material manufacture, manufacturing product consumption, and of life phase. Okay, cradle to the grave. Okay, like raw materials, harvesting for the production of biodiesel, harvesting. Okay, cultivations. Okay, and then extraction, conversion of the biofuels. Okay, handling the byproducts. Okay, what else? Nutrients, all those things you have here. Okay, so that means it's going to be close this life cycle. Okay, So as the conclusions, we can see here that environment and sustainability must be considered in product design for long-term benefit, okay, of company and society and environment, as well as different strategy resource method have been proposed, developed and introduced in order to cater the needs of environmental friendly as well as sustainable product design. Okay. Okay, so any question about the sustainability before we move to the some activity group discussion? Rumah saya sebelah ni ada ni pula renovation.
No question, doctor.
Okay. If you have more questions, please snapshot this scenario. Okay. Or print screen if you use a laptop. As well as this one. This one. Sudah ada renovation pula. Okay, and this one. And this is the question. Discuss in your group based on the given scenario and suggest a few solutions, at least 3 to the problem. Maybe I can merge one slide, I think. Okay. Scenario 1, scenario 2, and you have to discuss in group. Okay, based on the given scenario, suggest a few solutions to the problem. Okay. Each group is required to present your answer on the Padlet. Okay. I give you about 10 minutes. Before we take a break.
I can't hear you properly.
Okay, if you're done, please post in the Padlet. So we have 14 groups now. So I hope all the groups can post in the Padlet. Okay. Actually, the problem you have to find the solution. Only find solution for the problem. Okay. The solution that maybe from the government, from the consumer, consumer, okay, companies. If from government, maybe the strict regulation. Okay. If company, you try to reduce the production of the electronic device, which is byproduct from the electronic device.
Doktor, yang 3 solution tu setiap senario ke ataupun boleh pilih mana satu ke macam mana?
I told you is you can choose either one.
Okay.
One or two. I think the easiest one is scenario 2, right? Scenario 2 is easy. Okay. One scenario one, government should give tax. Okay, yes, of course. Okay, what else? This one. The affected company should engage in research activity. Okay, reduce production. Consumer should make conscious choice. Okay, so that's good. Scenario 2, allow reuse and recycle of electronic products. Okay, good. Okay. This one. Okay. Ban the country products that do not treat the environmentals. Okay, companies should do more branding to consumer. Okay, environmental friendly. Okay, good. Oh, ada tadi ya. Saya tengok. Ada. Group 12. Reuse recycle electronic products. Okay, good. Stores the data online to reduce the use of electronics. I think we also still use, even if you want to store the data, we use the electronic devices. Okay. Yeah, that one is good. How do you? I think even for Indonesia, it's quite difficult to find the specific for the electronic. Okay. I think it's IKEA. IKEA they provide the electronic specific. Okay, they have. But in general, we cannot find. Okay. What else? Scenario one. Should recycle, yes. Okay. That's good. Okay, consumer should consider the effect of product environmental pollution. Okay, that's good. I think if you want to continue, you can continue to push in the padlet. Okay, and we have a 5 minutes break. Okay, before we continue on the. 5 minute breaks.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
This is good. Even now, the Samsung I think follow in terms of general information. Okay. Engineering things I think is to appreciate the importance of maintaining ethical principles as a chemical engineer. Okay. Be aware that ethics reasoning often involve weighing up competing ethical equation and ethical dilemma. Okay, sometimes you have a dilemma either you want to throw the waste or you have to you have to become a whistleblower. Okay, but as engineer, what you have to do? There's a every engineer have a dilemma. Okay, be able to analyze one of the case study like of the ethics consideration. So what is engineering ethics? Okay. If you look at here, there's more study about the morals, ethics, we call it ethics. Okay, moral choice, okay, made by people in a relationship with other. Okay, sometimes you have to follow the company rules. Okay, you have to what is it, obey the what the your boss said, right? Okay, and sometimes you need to follow the environment regulations. Okay. Okay, there's a sometimes we are in dilemma. Okay, engineering ethics, the philosophy indicating ways the engineer should conduct themselves in the professional capacity. Okay, that's so it's a matter of life and death. Okay, orang kata hidup dan mati lah. Okay, ethical reasoning is vitally important in engineering. It can be a matter of life and death. Okay, engineering is a professional practice. Okay, of utilizing the materials and force of nature economically for the benefits of the mankind. This is the from the of engineering and technology. Okay, you have to, ataupun panggil apa macam bukan agreement trade. Even if you enroll this university, you have the grades, right? Okay, so it's adopted by National Society of the Professional Engineers. Okay, so if you look at here, that I dedicate my professional knowledge and skill to the advancement of the betterment of human welfare. I plan my okay, live and works according to law. Okay, so uh, advantage to make this pledge. Okay, this is an example of the code of ethics for the American Institute of to this whether you have to go whole one of the safety. I remember that normally advanced people principles. Okay, sure. Itu okay, trip focus service. Okay, buat professional reputation. We continue their regarding on the race, color, regions. Okay,
Very proper.
enhancements of the reasoning of the ethics. Okay, for examples, this one's you have taken summer job working as a forklift operator for the local company. Okay, you find yourself that 200 liters of drum filled with the machine coolant. Okay, what you have to do? Your supervisor said, dump half the coolant of the coolant down to the drain, fill the rest with the tap water and pour it out. Okay, but you are in dilemma actually. Either you want to follow what your supervisor said, or you have to become a whistleblower. Okay, and you know actually the coolant is toxic. Okay, it's contain maybe lead, mercury. You don't even know. Okay, you have to analyze. Okay, so what you have to do is what you are thinking is either you go along with the max, okay, or you have to what is it? Mac is just a sort of person who's wrecking the environment. Okay, I'm going to think about reporting to the Department of Environment. Okay, so actually you are in dilemma. You are thinking. Okay, so this is what we call a dilemma. Okay, strict sense of the word. Okay, to accept disagreeables, or you want to take the correct moral and ethical stand. You become a whistleblower. Okay, so what you have to do? Okay. So as a engineer, actually, we often can find a better solution. Okay. since maybe some the coolants maybe contains only certain compounds that is really which is toxic. Okay, so you can find another alternative to remove these toxic chemicals, and then the rest you can throw in the to the environment. Okay. Okay, so finding a better solutions requires we become skilled in ethical problem solving. Okay, so this is what we call as a paradigm case. Okay, to satisfy both conflicting good. Okay, look at here that in terms of disposing the toxic chemicals, okay, you have to remove the toxic substance such as like a copper, lead, and zinc. Okay, and the less toxic, okay, ethylene glycols you have to treat and at the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, ethylene glycol is yeah, generally we use as a coolant. Okay, even in the laboratory scale we use ethylene glycol as the for the condenser. Okay, so this one is you can treat at the waste water treatment plant. And the heavy metal content the coolants need to be removed before it can dump in the drain. Okay, this is the method as a engineer. Okay, so you think you more about the first feature of the paradigm disposal of the coolants. Okay, which is you dispose the toxic metals. Okay, you remove those copper, lead, and zinc, and then or you can after you remove these toxic chemicals, okay, you can recycle or you can treat it as wastewater treatment plant. Okay, so this is the solution as the chemical engineer, and some ethical reasonings why we need to consider this ethic design. Okay, so that is a short things about the engineering ethics. Any question about the engineering ethics? I think all the engineering ethics you can refer to the uh, main textbooks. Okay, if you want to know about in details as well as the safety. We not you have one course about the safety. Okay, also and for the product process design, safety is the important thing. Okay, and for the process, okay, hazard, all those things you have to consider. So any questions for this chapter before we end our class? Okay, any questions?
No question, doctor.
No question.
No,
I
no
think it's
question.
just yes, it's just a general information actually. Okay, they have no calculation, but the most important thing is I think as engineer, what you have the consumer needs. Okay, to protect the environment. What is the ethics? Okay, what make your product and process is sustainable? Okay, from the beginning until the end. Okay, what else? Before you design the process or products. Okay, what's in how to get the information. Okay, literatures. Okay, all those things you have to consider. Okay, it's just a general information. Okay, if you have no question about this part, if I already upload this slide in the e-learning, do I? Then upload.
No, doctor.
Okay. Okay, I will upload after this class. Okay, if you have no questions, uh, don't
Doktor,
forget.
saya nak
Yes,
tanya pasal assignment satu.
yeah.
Assignment satu tu, so kita ada soalan satu, dua, and then the QFD tu kan, yang kena buat house tu kan, quality house tu.
Yeah.
Firstly, nak kena hantar tu satu je ataupun individual for every group. So, saya lupa hari tu.
Oh, antar individual.
Maksudnya yang bahagian QFD tu pun kita kena separate lah, hantar semua jawapan sama, betul?
Betul.
And then, is it nak buat dalam Word or tulis handwritten?
Better in Word lah.
In Word
Tapi I think it's no problem. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because you can scan. Okay. I think it doesn't matter. Okay, you nak tulis ke, you nak guna words ke, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay. Terima kasih, Doktor.
Okay, do not forget to submit individually. Although you do in the groups, but you have to submit individually. Because I'm gonna give a mark directly to by using the e-learning. Okay. So for those who still not scan the attendance, you can scan. Okay.